Everybody, welcome on over here. Your competitors are telling you exactly why customers choose them and why customers leave them as well. And they're not saying it in their ads, they're not saying on their website, they're saying it in their reviews. If you're not paying attention to your competitors' reviews, you're missing the easiest competitive advantage available to you. Reviews are public record, right? Your competitors' Google reviews, Facebook reviews, Yelp reviews, for example. They are public record. That means every complaint, every compliment, every frustration is visible to anyone who knows how to look. Most businesses only read their own reviews. Smart businesses study everyone else's, their competitors, because reviews reveal service gaps, they reveal unmet expectations, they reveal what customers care about most, and they reveal where competitors are failing. So here is what competitive analysis really looks like. You compare your review volume, right? Volume, ratings, recency, and sentiment against nearby competitors. You look for patterns. Then you go a little bit deeper. You examine, right? Um, like what customers praise about, what they complain about, right? Sometimes these insights are kind of obvious. Um, so, right, definitely read the reviews very, very carefully. When multiple reviews mention the same issue, that is not noise. That is a huge opportunity for you to maybe, hey, this is how you do better. This is how you are different. This is your unique selling proposition. If customers complain about cleanliness, communication delays, right, things like that, that is your opening. You win by fixing what others ignore, right? Maybe you're already doing well, or maybe you feel short, but you're learning from other people's mistake. And reviews are not the beginning, right? Um, right? Customers talk everywhere on Facebook, Instagram, Reddit. Social media may exaggerate reality, but patterns still matter, right? So we're not talking about just reviews like Google reviews, Facebook reviews, Yelp reviews, for example. Really study also, right, what people are mentioning, commenting on these social media profiles of your competitors. So when you listen carefully, you learn what people value, what frustrates them, and what they wish, right, existed. That insight should shape your brand, your messaging, and your service. The businesses that win are not guessing, right? They're listening. They turn competitor mistakes into their own advantage. They fill the gaps, others leave open. Okay, so hopefully this is very, very useful for you. Please make sure to study your competitors' reviews and social media profile.